Hi guys, welcome back to Success Concentrics with Leo. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I want to say a very big thank you. Welcome on board. And also to our subscribers and to all our viewers, a very big thank you to you. If you have not yet subscribed and you're just watching the videos alone, please and please, I'm begging you, kindly, try to just click the subscribe button, please. Thank you very much. And so, happy new month to you all, and happy birthday if you're born in November. Yes, happy birthday to you. God bless you. We love you. Yeah, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, this is Success Concentrics with Leo, and it's in partnership with Renovative Mind Builders. Renovative Mind Builders. What do they do? Renovative Mind Builders is actually a platform or a firm that helps you innovate and liberate you mentally and financially, because we are in a world where people look at their problems, they look at their challenges more than their opportunities. So for you to be financially free, for you to be able to make any progress in life, number one, your mentality needs to change. For anything to walk around you, for anything to move, you need to make a move first, and that is why we are making this move. So first of all, change your mentality, make you understand that you can succeed wherever you are, wherever country that you are, regardless of the system they're operating there. You can actually make it. It just have to start from your mindset. Success starts from your mindset. So the question now is, what do you envision for your life? Do you have a vision for your life? Do you have a goal for your life? What do you want to do with your life? Are you just going with the crowd? Are you going with the peer pressure? Yes, there's so many peer pressure, but I want you to understand something. Note this, that don't allow peer pressure make you lose your treasure. Yes, I'll say that again. Don't allow peer pressure make you lose your treasure. So guys, this is a new episode, and on this episode is titled Starting with What You Have. Starting with what you have, and it's going to be divided into different subheadings. And the first one we'll be talking about is top 10 businesses you can do with what you have. And what do you have? Your smartphone. Your smartphone. So many people don't know that your smartphone is your office. Now, what makes that smartphone? Why do they call it smartphone? It is the purpose and the essence, the function of what it does. Now, when the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse or misuse is inevitable. When you don't know why you are created, when you don't know the function of what you should be doing, then that is what makes you do all manner of things. You want to do what everybody is doing, you want to do this, everybody is doing this, you want to jump into it. No. But when you know your function, when you know your purpose, then you can actually distinguish yourself from the crowd. So we'll be talking about top 10 businesses you can do with your smartphone. Yes. So one of the things I actually took time to make a research, try to see what people are talking about, some things that you don't know. I had to take that extra time, yes, to go and make research, because if we want to liberate people, the mentality of people, and liberate them financially as well, innovate people, we need to actually go extra mile. And I've come up with a few things, and I'll be explaining them to you. Number one thing on my list here is online tutoring. Yes, if you're a student, if you are anything, you see, let me tell you something. Online tutoring these days doesn't have to be about academics. It could be anything. You could tutor people about your regular routine, how you are able to be a time manager, how you are able to do your make your financial management plan. It could be anything at all. You could be, probably you're very good, let's say you're in the university and you're studying any course, you're very good at a particular course. You can have a section online where you mentor people, where you tutor people about that particular course. It could be maybe a Zoom class, it could be a WhatsApp class or something. I think these days people do Zoom a lot, because you can explain, and you can do more of audio and visuals. So now you can do these things and people pay for it, Rather than, gone are the days when you have to go organize, classes, and then you want to put people together. No, they don't need to even come to your house anymore. You don't need to be in the class. They can do it from the comfort of their home. You're a student, you're very good at, let's say, maybe you're a pharmacy student, for example, and you're very good at pharmacology. You can actually organize a Zoom class and then tell everybody there is a fee, maybe probably monthly. You attach a fee to maybe like 2,000 naira per month. You're going to definitely make it, because once people see that, okay, when they attend your class, they gain something from it. Everybody is willing, everybody is interested. It could be anything. It could be any course. It could be, could be maybe something you are good at, maybe your financial management plan, or anything. Teach people. Online tutoring these days really, helps people. Another thing is rent your spare room on Airbnb. You can rent your spare room. So those of you, here's a good catch. Those of you who your uncles or aunties or your father has a house in any part of the states in the country, and you feel like, okay, that house, they are not using it. I mean, why are they wasting it? Okay, maybe they only come back, probably they are not around, they are outside of the country, and they only come back in December. You can take permission. Yes, take permission. Go there, furnish the house, make everything nice, register it on Airbnb. So people who are coming into that state and don't want to stay in an hotel, they will need a place like, no place like people say, no place like home, for they are not far from home or something. You go there, register it, make the place so nice and everything. You can register it on Airbnb, and people begin to, book your apartment for maybe 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 2 weeks, depending on their duration of stay, and you make your money. So you see, you already have, the resources. Now this is it. Most times we don't lack money. What we lack is ideas. We don't lack money, but we lack ideas. So if you can take good of these opportunities, it's something that's going to propel you into, financial freedom. I might not be able to explain all these things in details like you want here. Yes, because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. But you can reach out to me on the email displayed on your screen for more, mentoring. Let me know how I can help you, because I know I cannot give you fish. How many people do I want to give fish? But I will teach you how to catch fish. Yes, so that is it about Airbnb. Airbnb is just an like a space where you can register your apartment for short let. You can use it for, you give it out to people and they pay you for it. Pay in dollars. So that is that about Airbnb. Now another one is sell used clothes. Yes, sell used clothes. A lot of people don't know that you can sell all these clothes. Some of these things that they bring from, from UK, they bring from US and all of that. Like you see used clothes, used shoes and all of that. Don't you know there's a process to it? It's something you can do as well. Look for those your clothes that you're not wearing again. Those your nice clothes. You can actually resell them. Some of you who have wedding gowns that you're not using again, it's just there. You're gonna spend thousands on wedding gown. You're not using it again. You can sell it. And what you just need to go to vintedapp.com. Vintedapp.com, and you can sell those clothes there. Hello, am I communicating? Is somebody learning something new? Vintedapp.com, and you can sell your used clothes there. Just make sure they're in good condition, and you can sell it there. So also, another thing you can do is teach foreigners your language online. Yes, teach foreigners your language online. Not everybody understands Yoruba. Not everybody understands Igbo. Not everybody understands even English. As common as it is, there are some countries that English is not their official language, and most of them, they don't really understand English because they've not left their country for once. So teach people your language. Wherever you're watching this from, from Nigeria, from any part of the world, teach people your language. People are interested to know about your language. People are interested to know about your culture. Yes, your culture. You could open a YouTube channel where you teach people about these things. You could teach them about your recipes, your food. You can teach them about these things there on your YouTube channel, and you will see loads of people trooping in to learn about these things. So now tell me, what don't you have to start small? You see, you have everything. All you just need is the right idea. It is what? The right idea. Now, another thing you can do is you can be a YouTuber just like I'm doing right now. Yes, What you just need is to have 1,000 subscribers, number one. After that, make sure that you have a lot of views, maybe like 3,000 views, 4,000 views, 2,000 views. It varies. And make sure you put your content should be either educating, entertaining. Yeah, they could be educating, entertaining, or just anything. But be mindful of the kind of content you put out there, because there are rules in the YouTube community. So the more, another thing is the more good your content is, and the more is the duration, it helps Google to YouTube to actually put your they put an advert on your YouTube videos. So the more views you get paid for it. At least you could get maybe like something like $40 or something, or maybe more or less. I don't know. Yeah, you could get, depending on what your channel. So you can monetize your YouTube channel, and before you know it, every day, imagine you're putting up videos maybe every week, and you're having like 5,000 views with more than 1,000 subscribers. Imagine how much you'll be making. So let's do a rough scale. Like, let's say you're getting maybe like $50 for each video that you upload, and $50 every week. That's in a month now, times 4 weeks, you have like $200 already. So imagine getting $200 just from posting videos, and that's all. And even these days, TikTok videos, you can actually earn from making TikTok videos. So what is stopping you? Tell me, what exactly is stopping you? Nothing is stopping you. Rather, you are the one stopping yourself. Money is not the one stopping you. Resources is not stopping you. All you need is on the internet. You just need to make good use of your smartphone. What makes it a smartphone is the function that it does. So you can actually be a human being and not be smart. So guys, ladies out there, you don't have any reason to complain that you need urgent 2K. No. See, I used to tell some of my friends that one thing, when you're in school, you think you are living life. You always have that excuse that when they ask, oh, what are you doing? Oh, I'm in school. Oh, what are you doing? But when you graduate and you go, you go to serve or do whatever thing you want to do after school, that is when you know that you are into reality and nobody is going to fend for you anymore. That is the time you need to start fending for yourself. So why wait till that time? Why not start from now that you're still in the university, you just gained admission into university, start doing something. Don't wait till that time. Don't wait till that time. Start doing something now. Another thing you can do is record voices on voices.com. You can use your voice. Those of you who have very nice voice, you have very beautiful voice, you have bass in your voice, like, no, you can use it. Don't waste it. Don't allow that bass to be wasting. Don't waste that bass in your voice. Don't you hear some videos? You hear them, the time is now. Come on, don't waste it. Don't waste that beautiful voice that God has given to you. You see, you have everything to progress, to succeed in this life. All you need is the right connection. All you need is the right set of people. In fact, to do all of these things I'm telling you, you don't need to connect with anybody. All you need is your smartphone, your data. Yes, your data. Go online, read about these things more, and you'll see that you can do them. Now, in the next episode, I will talk about how you can invest on bamboo.com. Those of you using your money to buy the new iPhone 13, rather than buy iPhone 13, why not use that money to invest, buy shares on Apple, buy Apple shares. I'm not saying you shouldn't use it. No. If someone give me, I will take it. I'm just telling you. But why, rather than investing, using that money to buy that phone, why not use it to invest in something? Buy Apple shares and see what it gives you. So there are so many things to talk about that I would share with you in our next video. Please kindly like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Please, I want to beg you, kindly share these videos to as many persons as possible that you can share it to. Please, let's all be financially free in 2022. Enough of the urgent 2K, enough of the I don't have money, enough of the nagging and everything. Let me tell you something. If you pray and you don't work, you don't have the right information to make things work, nothing is going to work. That is it. Nothing is going to work. I would say this again. I will close for today, and what I'm going to leave you with is this: rather than see the challenges, rather than seeing the problems, see the opportunities, see the brighter side to everything. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is Success Concentrics with Leo. My name remains Leo Israel. God bless you.